How to copy link to share your story. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a link to share your story on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and for example this is your story. Click on it. Now all you need to do is click on those 3 points and you're gonna find copy a link to share this story. Now stories are visible to me, to my audience, for 24 hours. All I need to do is click on it, and now my link is like I have copied link. I can pass the link, for example, here, and this is I can share it. And this is it, guys. It's so easy and quick. Like I said, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.